Hi, I am from the PC Error Detective YouTube channel, and in this video, I will show you how to create Garena account on PC in a simple and clear way. This tutorial will guide you through each step so you can register your Garena account easily on your computer. Step 1 is to open your preferred web browser on your PC, such as Google Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, which allows you to access websites on the internet. This step is important because you need a browser to visit the official Garena website. Step 2 is to click on the search bar at the top of the browser window, where you can type website names or keywords. The search bar helps you quickly find the official Garena site without typing the full web address. Step 3 is to type Garena and press enter on your keyboard to search for it online. This action shows you a list of results related to Garena, making it easier to find the correct website. Step 4 is to click on the first Garena website result, which is usually the official and safest link. Opening the official site is important to protect your account information. Step 5 is to click on Account from the navigation bar at the top of the Garena website. This section is where Garena manages login and registration options for users. Step 6 is to click on Register a new account to start creating your Garena account. This option opens the registration form needed for new users. Step 7 is to click on the username field and enter a username that you want to use for your Garena account. Your username helps identify you on Garena services and games. Step 8 is to click on the password field and create a strong password to secure your account. A good password is important to keep your account safe from unauthorized access. Step 9 is to click on the following instructions shown on the screen, such as agreeing to terms or continuing the setup, to complete the registration process. Following these instructions ensures your Garena account is successfully created. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the PC Error Detective channel.